What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Kuching City, Malaysia, Part 2. This video was suggested by a couple of people in our Discord. So thank you for suggesting this video.
Have we seen part 1?
No. Cheap suggested this.
So kind of skip part 1. Like, is there a reason to skip part 1?
I didn't see it.
Oh, okay.
So I clicked the one that I saw.
Okay. So if y'all want us to watch part 1, I'm assuming it's not like a
right.
to be continued.
Yeah, no, it's an aerial.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a drone video.
Oh, okay. So if we need to go back and watch part 1, it's like if people want us to watch it, then it's not going to really matter. Okay.
Yeah, it's not like we started a story from the end.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to suggest more videos, throw them down in the comment section. Also, hit up our Discord, which is in the description down below. If you want to, give us a like on this video. It helps us get the video out to more people. Also, click that subscribe button if you'd like. And if you'd like to support the channel a little more, click the join button below the channel.
Let's hop into this. You think, right?
I think so. It's a big town.
Mm-hmm.
Or city. Really big. It goes on forever.
I'm actually getting a little dizzy.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Is this some sort of monument at the bottom right? Where our faces will be?
Yeah.
Look at this roof.
Yeah, we've seen that.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. He flew underneath and now he's going up.
Well, I meant more of the...
Oh, the design. But
The
it was
actual-
cool how he did the...
Because it looks like it has some age to this.
Yeah, it does. That's an interesting way to do like a parking structure. You go up and then you get to park near the top part of the building.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like it would be an expensive design, to be honest with you.
Well, they just put a building on top of a parking garage.
Well, it looks like there's businesses underneath.
Oh, really?
And then you see the parking up there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of different. It's unique.
It's a lot of houses. I say that, but I mean, that's like every community
Yeah.
in our area. I like the house with the blue roof.
With that one down there?
Yeah. I'll bet you that's a hotel. Is that a hotel?
It looks like a hotel. It'd be a good place for it with all the houses. If you don't want to stay at the house.
Yeah. But we've heard that's kind of a thing, like
Yeah.
when family visits, it doesn't matter how many there are.
Yeah. Unless you're like me. I'd be like, nope, we're going to the hotel.
Like
There's
it's
something to your privacy that I like.
There's so much going on here, but there's also so much nature still.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of green area.
Yeah. Look at those mountains.
Yeah, that's cool.
Is that a lake back here or a river?
Looks like a pond of some sort.
You're a pond.
That's rude.
I hope this music isn't copyrighted because it's really soothing.
It is. I'm probably going to go ahead and change it just to prevent any issues. I'm guessing that's some type of mall. Actually, most of this looks like
parking
right here, and then this is something else in the middle. That definitely looks like a hotel.
Yeah, I think that's the same building.
Oh, is it?
I think so. That looks like a hotel too.
Yeah, that one definitely looks like a hotel.
Is this where all the ports are?
Yeah, that looks like a like where they bring in a bunch of
fish and auction, maybe.
Quite possibly, because it looks like that one's actually.
Because I know that they do that in some areas. They'll have buildings like this, and then they'll just take all the fish off and then auction them off in these buildings.
Right. We watched that video together.
Mm-hmm. Not a lot of boats out there.
Mm-mm. Maybe they're all out at work.
Yeah.
Trying to catch that fish. Or maybe seasons are off.
Yeah. I wish we had mountains around us.
Okay, I was like, there are mountains here. We got a lot of mountains in this country.
I like the way those roofs are designed.
Yeah, those are really cool. It'd be really cool if they attached them somehow.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
That is more than beautiful.
We've seen this though.
Yeah. But it's still, I mean, it's mesmerizing.
Like the water.
Yes. Just like fanning out.
Yeah.
I'd want to look at that every night before I go to bed.
Instead of having the fireplace, we just have that.
Wow, look at that.
That's super cool. Looks like fireworks almost.
Mm-hmm. And I like how the lights change colors on the actual mosque.
Mm-hmm.
Or is that
no, that's not a mosque.
That's not a mosque. What is that?
They've told us before. I just don't remember.
I don't know why I said mosque.
Because it's just a awesome looking building, and their mosques are all beautiful.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be standing right there.
Just watching.
Just watching. Actually, you might not get a good view from there.
No, maybe not.
You'd probably have to be like in front of it to get the
full
good
effect. View. Yeah, like right over here somewhere.
Yeah. Is there a good nightlife in Kuching? Based off of that place, like...
It looks like people are out.
Like, that could be I know it's not, but like in America, that could be like the hottest club.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd be scared to lose my drone.
I know.
Flying it over that water that dark.
Yeah. But I guess you just get comfortable flying them.
Yeah.
We need to fly ours before the battery goes bad on it again.
Yeah. It's not lit up, but there's something about it not being lit up that's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like looking off into the sky, like looking at different stars.
The focus is off too.
Yeah, it is.
Or the ISO is just too low. I mean, it's a drone camera. You can only do so much.
But still, it's like looking at stars in the sky.
Right. Which, oddly enough, you can't see any stars in the sky.
Yeah. That is a dope walkway, walk bridge.
I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right here. I feel like this is just doing the same stuff over and over again.
Yeah. There's the nightclub.
We know it's not a nightclub. Yeah. Stop. Well, hold on. Yeah, it's the same stuff. It's so beautiful, though.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
We don't want to make y'all sit through stuff that our reaction isn't really going to
be true.
Yeah.
After seeing it already.
Yeah.
No, this is gorgeous. I'd love to visit. If I'm not mistaken, Cheap lives in this area.
Right.
So we definitely...
And this is the area that's like, it's mostly like government stuff, I believe.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct him if he's wrong because he made the statement. Yeah, I just said I think so.
So he concurred.
Just so I sound like I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so he concurred. So that means that you have to give him crap too if we're wrong.
I don't think so.
So if y'all enjoyed this video, please, again, hit the like button. And if you want... I was anticipating something.
Ooh.
There we go. And if you want to see more of our videos, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification.
A ding, yeah.
And then if you want to support us directly, hit the join button.
Join us.
And with that being said,
my name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.